Hi, my Atlantic Highland friends. I hope you guys are doing well. So I just wanted to show you a little video on how I made the IDs, which helps me sort my patron registration list. So this is a sample, and I didn't want to put in anybody's information, so I just copied the fields names on the top. You can see along here. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add a column. So to add a column, and there's several ways to do this, so this is the way I do it. I highlight the column rather, I right click, and I select the option Insert One to the left. And then I click Yes, so then there's my column. And now what I want to do is I want to get the number row, but I can't start here. Here's 2, I want it to be 1. So I do equal row, paren, and there. Okay, so sorry I had to pause that. The new normal, right? Okay, so I think I showed you this. Equal row, parentheses, and you go to A1 because you want it to be the first row. And then what you're going to want to do is copy and paste this down. And you know we have 400 rows. So that's where you're going to want to go down. And there's easier ways to do this, but I have a blank worksheet, so it would take me longer. Singing in the rain. Almost there. Ah! And I should have just stopped, right? But what fun would that be? Okay, so there's 401, and then I'm gonna paste it there. So then you'll see I have a new ID in that field. Now I can't leave it like this because it's a formula. And as we've learned in Excel class or Excel training, that would change. So if I resorted it, that would change. It would defeat the purpose. So what I need to do is I need to add another column. So I'm going to highlight the column, Insert One to the left, and then I'm going to highlight this column. I'm going to copy it, which is Control C, and then I'm going to paste it. But I'm going to paste it special, and I'm going to paste the values. And there you go. So then it's got numbers 1 through 400. Then I can just delete this column. So I'm going to highlight it, delete it, go up to the top, and there it is. And so this way I can sort this sheet however I need to. And generally I've been sorting by zip code first, and then I've been sorting by street second. And this allows me to see if there's, like, you know, for example, all one main street will be sorted together. And then you can also add city-state. I can't remember if I've done that or not, but it just lets you sort it in different ways. And then when you finish, you can go back and resort it based on this new ID so that you can make sure you returned it to Miriam the way that she gave it to you. And then don't forget to delete the column. All right, I hope that's helpful. Bye.